This video is for my pre-calculus students. This is an image of the unit circle completely filled out as you would have done in one of our classes last week. If you search Wiki Commons unit circle images, you'll find this one. Here's the URL for it. And I'm going to show you a trick that may help you when it comes to memorizing the unit circle. Let's start with the y coordinate of these points around the unit circle. Remember, each of these points has an xy coordinate. And we're going to start with the y coordinate, which is the sine of each of these angles. So remember, so the y here is 0, half, -2/2, -3/2, 1. So we're going to write this a different way. This is the square root of 0/2. This is the square root of 1/2. The 45-degree angle is square root 2/2. The 60 is square root 3/2. And the 90-degree is square root of 4/2. And if you realize square root of 4 is 2, 2/2 is 1. These two are just like we have them on the chart here. We're rewriting the half a different way. Square root of 1/2 is just a half. And we're rewriting 0 a different way. Square root of 0/2. So notice we have square root 0, square root 1, 2, 3, 4, all over 2. Okay? Now, the x-coordinate is the same thing, just in reverse. So now we're going to talk about the x-coordinate. This is square root of 4/2, square root 3/2. Let me write that up here. Square root 2/2, square root 1/2, and square root 0/2. So here we're looking at the x-coordinate. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. Square root of each of those in the numerator, divide by 2 in the denominator. And hopefully and then to get the y, you just go the other direction. This is square root 0, square root 1, 2, 3, 4, all over 2. So hopefully that's an easy memory aid for you to use.